Tone controls. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. We're taking them out. Watch. It is, what now? 100 degrees outside today. Not ready to drive. I want to see how hot it is outside because I had to close the sunroof. It won't even tell me. Fine. Don't tell me. See, maybe I gotta start the car. Either way, I'm getting those heat controls out. So, first things first is you start here. And here's something I noticed, that all these stupid panels have a weird angle to them that you have to pull out. This one actually is over here. Okay, so this one, you see? It's on an angle. So you have to pull out this way. So it's on a complete 45 for the most part. You see? You pull outward with all these clips. Because this one overlaps. Of course. Now with this one put aside, we have another one. We have this one. Now at the end of this one, again, this one pulls straight out even though it's on a wonderful angle. On the end of this one is a hole. And what goes in that hole is this push bit. And I use a regular old, it's down here, facing upward. See the hole? Can't see the hole, can you, Russ? Because that's overlapped. You see? Now it's starting to come out. Now, over here, more little guys that come this side too. Ooh, we have a guide though, that's cool. So that sits right here. You see? Now I'm gonna make 2 videos of this. I'm gonna stop it at the end because one is for the push button and this one is for the technically radio / vent control / all this stuff. But after that, we have to go back up stairs and see what happened. We have this trap door right here because, again, it all overlaps. You can't pull this out because it's behind the radio, or whatever display this is considered a radio. I think it's too big, honestly. I was driving this thing, that's just way too big. So with a tool as this one or this broken one or this one, whatever one you want to use to pull this door upward, I just came right here in the corner, and it's Toyota, so it gives you no fight. And then you got the 4 10s to get these, put them in a safe place, don't lose them. And then you pull on this to get the display out. Oh yeah, this is fun stuff. Because you see how it's overlapped here in the corner? There you go. Yep, that guides right in. Now, let's get with both hands so nothing breaks. We're going to get this big piece out of our way and see how to get these guys out. Because I'm betting you can't just pull, maybe, we'll see. So with 2 hands, I held this up with one hand, doesn't matter if you're lefty or righty, and then I pulled this whole thing. It's all clips. Clip, 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 clip. Is there a part number? There it is, it's upside down. So, put them in a safe place, and now let's see if this comes out easily. And let's see if what's holding it, what we have to do. And it looks like it's just clip, clip, clip. And look, you see, just gradually pulling and pulling. Oh, am I held up on something over here? Maybe, because there is another cover right here that is, I'm sure, overlapped underneath the dash. So let's see. Let's go on the other side and see. To show you that all you have to do is pull that straight up. That's very hard, right? And there's 2 screws right there. That one and that one, which are these 2. 4 in here, underneath this little fake mat thing. And 4 in there. Those are the fine threads. Now, over here, we have a plastic trim, but it doesn't need to be removed just yet. Let's see. Now let's go on the other side. This is where all the fun begins. So we have trap door housing 2 more 10 mils. Okay, now another 10 mil here behind this guy right here. But you have to remove with a push pin that is right here. And that sits up under. See, those are the 10 mils that you see here. Now, what this does, those two 10 mils and these two, and removing this one, it removes this handle. Ha 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 ha. Now, do you have to remove that? Probably not. I just want to get to this panel in the front to get those controls out, but that's how you get the the center console. Let's go back on the other side. Hey, look, a shadow. Okay, now over here is where we want to pull the center console out from its socket. So with those removed, and this guy out of your way, which you probably didn't need to, this pulls straight back, and it's easier said than done because I have one hand. Let me show you, because there's clips and guides all the way down this gap. So let's lose both hands. I found the hang up. It's that guy, that culprit right there. He's still threaded in. Darn it. There you go. Get him out. Now you can pull straight out. There you go. Numb nuts. All I know is it smells like barbecue, and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and I am hungry. It's been smelling like barbecue all day, actually. So, this plugs into here, or this plugs into here. So you can pull this side off. Okay, yeah, see? You have to get this side out. Now, there is one screw up under. Got him out right here. And one tab, and it'll give you enough slack to pull this plastic piece up out of your way. This is part of the dash. Alright. Now that helps remove this side of the panel. The heat controls just pop out in your hand. All that for that. Now, if it was me, I wouldn't care. I would just use this, take the plastic, it's only plastic, and go right around and pull this corner out. Because look how much of the corner it is. I guarantee someone's going to chop that one day. Guarantee it. Just get the heat controls out. So let's see what they are. Let's see if this is all we need. Look at this. After all that, after all that, we have the heat controls out. Now I don't know what to make of this, but I see a part number here for this volume knob, which I'm sure it's going to go bad one day. But this is all nothing but screws at this point. Get these vents out of your way. Whatever part number this is, I don't know. Should I even bother? Let's see. Alright, so the rest is literally screw after screw. Now, there's two more of these on the back side. I'm not taking this thing apart because I don't have to. But that's what you would do to take these out. Then it's screw after screw. You got more clips here, more clips here. They just pop out. You see, there's another clip right here at the end of my thumb, and it's all just clips. So I don't need to take all that out. If you do, it's just another 5 more minutes. So I'm gonna put all this back and say, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe, and you gotta fight to put it back in, yeah. You see what I'm doing? 2 hands are better than one. And there you go. So, thanks for watching.